This is YouTube Viewers app, and it took me more than 1 year to realize that it is very wrong to upload video mainly from the YouTube Viewers app instead of enjoying all the beautiful features that YouTube has made available for professional YouTubers to set up their channel in a beautiful way to get views, to get subscribers, and then grow their channel even in the long run. And in this video, we are going to use this YouTube Viewers app to upload video and compare it to the main features that YouTube has made available for professional YouTubers to use and upload videos on YouTube, so that you tell me by the end of this video whether you will ever upload video from YouTube Viewers app again. Yes, now let's start with uploading from YouTube, which is this particular app, which the moment you click on it, it will bring you to YouTube, where people watch videos, feel entertained on YouTube and the rest of that. Now the next thing is to click the plus icon, which we have been clicking without knowing it is wrong. And now the next thing is to go ahead, if it is video you want to select, you click video and then your phone gallery will open, or your system. Now you select the particular video, and the things you add here is very small: the title, the video description, and then the hashtag. Now there are just a few more things here, which is the visibility, which most of the time we are wrong and also set it public immediately. The other things here is whether it's made for kids or not, the location, and then this altered content, which is right to also turn it off. And now the next thing you see is boom, we click upload. This is wrong. Now let's see the main thing that YouTube has provided, which is Chrome. One, there are so many things in this Chrome that most people are not aware of when they log in their YouTube channel. Meanwhile, if you want to log in your YouTube channel from Chrome, you just type in what is on your screen right now in Chrome, selecting the email you're using for your YouTube channel, and then you will get to your YouTube channel dashboard. And to start with, YouTube always gives a lot of updates to you as a content creator, and is always in your YouTube channel dashboard. That is why it's called the channel dashboard, because everything about your analytics, whether you are doing right or wrong, all the professional features needed is there. Now, to now go ahead with uploading video, it's important to be on the channel dashboard tab and then click this arrow forward. And now this option of arrow forward, you still click on it again. Let's see the massive difference between using this to upload video and using the YouTube Viewers app. The moment you go ahead and select that same video that we selected from YouTube Viewers app is the video we are selecting here. And here is the difference. You can customize what will always be here in your description, so that even if you're uploading video tomorrow or next year, anytime, those things will remain there, so that you just add little edit, but it's not there in the YouTube Viewers app. And the reuse option too. This means any video that you are talking about, maybe this one is like part 2 of the video, you can just select the video and you don't need to change a lot in the description and title. The language is the same, the playlist is the same, the shorts, the category, everything is the same, and you just go ahead and click the reuse. But now let's say even if you are not using the remix option, you see there's still something huge here, the thumbnail. You can set it here. This is where people select the YouTube thumbnail. The thumbnail you have designed it in is in your phone gallery, and you want, before people see the content of your video, this image is the first thing you want them to see. So it is from the YouTube channel dashboard. You also select that. But the most important thing here is even coming further, because my friend was also making this mistake but was shocked when I show her what I'll show you in a minute. Now, the category, the playlist it should be in is Forex. Yeah, playlist means all your video that is about a particular topic, let's say your video one is about Lagos. So all your video that is about Lagos, you created a playlist called Lagos and you're uploading them there. Your videos that is about Abuja, you create another playlist so that if you want to share your video which is about going to Abuja, you can simply send that playlist to the person, and this playlist already has so many videos that you have made about Abuja. You just send the link and the person will be watching all of that video one after the other because they are in one playlist. Okay, now there are so many other settings that is here which you cannot see in the YouTube viewers app. Things like automatic places. Maybe you're talking about New York City. If you turn this button on, YouTube will automatically display this at your video description so that someone that click on it can from there and know more about New York City. And there is even more, the automatic concept. Let's say you are talking about World Health Organization. If this button is turned on, YouTube will select it, and even people from Google that are searching on Google can, when they want to watch a video that is about World Health Organization, because there is a particular YouTube video that mention that, your video can even be recommended because you turn this on and it is in your video. And now there is much more interesting things right here. One is the video location. Maybe you want your video to be seen by somebody who is searching for a particular thing in Lagos, and then you can say turn on location, and then the location is Lagos so that people from that region will see it more. And the other is allow embedding. This is maybe you want people to be able to copy your video link and place on their website, and your video will play on that their website or even on your own channel so that your YouTube video can be watched in website. So I believe, maybe have you seen anybody that maybe is making a course or something, and when you are in the person's website you see YouTube logo in the person's video? Yeah, this is where the person turned that on. And see that all these things and so many more that we are going to explore, you cannot find it in the YouTube viewers app, because that app is actually majorly meant for people to come right there and watch YouTube video, share YouTube video, comment, and the rest of that. The next one is publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. If you do not turn this on, your subscribers cannot get a message that you just uploaded a new video. But there are more interesting things here. The allow video and audio remixing, then how to install. From here you can select what your video is about, the category that your video belongs to. Is it about gaming, entertainment, education, politics? It is here that you select it to enable the YouTube algorithm to recommend it. And now we are heading to the most interesting aspect right here. Meanwhile, you can turn on the comments and then select whether you want to hold all the comment and review it before people see it, or you want to moderate it automatically. And here you can show how many people like your video or not. This show how many people like means maybe you have watched a YouTube video, you even gave a thumbs up, but you do not see how many likes that video got. It's because the person do not turn on this button. Now, have you hit the thumbs up? It's important you actually do that if you are enjoying this video. Just smash the thumbs up, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube would let more people see this video and be able to upload their videos the right way. Thank you for touching that like button and subscribing now. The monetization right here in the YouTube viewers app, you only have the option to turn it on. But assuming your video is up to 8 minutes, right here you will see option to set the advert that will play in between, which is what will enable you to earn more money from that particular video. If you check this channel, you see a particular video where I did a breakdown of how to place advertisements in between your YouTube videos to maximize your revenue. And now the next one, which is very critical, very important, is the ad visibility. The ad suitability is very important because here you're telling YouTube there is no adult content or shocking content or violent content or harmful act or anything that is against YouTube policy. There is no such thing in my video. So you select none of the above and simply go ahead and click submit rating. This means you have cleared all those suspicions from the YouTube algorithm because YouTube believed you took time, you went through the right source, you uploaded your video properly, and then you already told them that this video is okay. Yeah. And now, one that you might be wondering why it is so is the video elements. There are certain things you see in people's YouTube video and you'll be wondering how they were able to set it, especially something like the end screen. The end screen is, as you're watching this particular video now, when you watch till 20 seconds till the end of this particular video, you will see another video from this channel that I placed there so that I can now tell you if you want to create a YouTube channel, click on this video. This is where it is set, the end screen option under video elements. Click on add. You are going to see right here that you have option of selecting what you want people to see at the end of your video. Do you want them to see a playlist or your subscribe icon, or you want to get elements from your previous video, or you want to select a particular video, or you want YouTube to automatically select a video that they feel your audience will like and show to the audience, or you want YouTube to show them the one you just recently uploaded. It is in this element section that you're going to set that. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to comment below and let me know for sure in the comment section, where have you been uploading from? And now it is only from here that you can be able to check your video and see the percentage it has uploaded, and also the checks. You see whether your video has any copyright issues, and finally the visibility. Although you can be able to set visibility in the YouTube viewers app, but you see there are options here. They go further to explain to you more and more things, and you see the learn more button and be able to select whether your video should go live immediately or you want to schedule it to go live at a particular time today or tomorrow or anytime. And finally, you go ahead and smash publish or schedule. And at this juncture, let me know, is this the same thing with uploading from the YouTube viewers app? If you enjoy this video, go ahead and share it to someone who is trying to start a new YouTube channel. And don't forget to check the next video that I placed on your screen to make sure to grow further on YouTube. I wish you the best in all of this.